Container 41 with no US visa and with Espanol. Many container ships trading, feeder ships around Europe, around south of the Caribbean waters are thinking new source of crane, and they just don't realize how easy it is, to change the language, because the more toppings we put, then the more constraints, the more we have to pay. So if we take away the English language, we could not need to go to 9,400 for Master Chief Engineer US dollar, then the Chief Officer 7,700, as well as the second engineer, and then the 4,300-ish, the second officer, third engineer, and the fourth engineer, third officer, 3,700, AV 1,800, and oiler, and then wiper 1,250, and then bosun cook fitter 2,000. We could really negotiate these kind of wages like many other Latino or Spanish companies are thinking about why you need English if ships are going to be trading around Spain. 50% of world commerce is going to be around Spain. You need to change the language to Spanish, because the more requirements you put, then the more you have to pay. We could even mix them with some Moroccans if ships are really in Morocco, because Moroccans also, they speak Spanish, not so many, but in Candina we have 150,000 seafarers database, so we can really mix them and really have a competitive advantage, have barriers of entry for this ESG corporate social responsible way to have your company adapt, and let's say about 40, 50 ships. Same would apply for bulk carriers, of course, but then think, if no US visa and you don't need to put English language, why you need? Just change the ISM to Spanish like many companies are doing, and the difference is about 26% in. Is it this big enough for you to put Español? You think about it. Gracias. Adiós.